When there is an irritation in your throat, it causes you to cough. Coughing can also be caused by a viral infection, common cold, flu, or smoking. Some of the most common symptoms of a cough are an itchy throat and congestion. Coughing is a very common health problem. Instead of using cough syrups, you can use some natural cough remedies. First, ginger. Ginger is the best natural remedies for a cough. Cut ginger into small slices and crush them. Then put them in a cup of water and boil it. You can drink it 3 or 4 times a day for relief from sore throat, non-stop coughing, or even congestion. Second, garlic. Garlic contains both antibacterial and antimicrobial components that help combat coughs. Boil 2 or 3 cloves of garlic in a cup of water. Then add a teaspoon of oregano. Add some honey to this mixture and drink it. Third, turmeric. Turmeric has an excellent therapeutic effect on coughs. Put 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Boil this mixture for about 2 or 3 minutes. Then add 1 tablespoon of honey. Fourth, onion. Combine 1/2 teaspoon of onion juice with 1 teaspoon of pure honey. Drink it at least twice a day to alleviate a cough. It will also soothe your throat. Fifth, lemon. Lemons will reduce inflammation. A very simple cough syrup can be made by mixing 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of honey. You can drink this extremely healthy syrup several times a day. Thank you for watching. Please like us, subscribe to us, and don't forget to leave a comment.